Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tyler with the Tarver Academy YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how to set up a playlist so other people can add videos to that playlist. This is a great feature for teachers who want to share something with their students, and the students can go find the content and put it together to add each other value. So it's good for anybody that wants to collaborate on a playlist. So here we go. I'm on YouTube. I'm on the main YouTube page. I'm logged into my account and I've already created a playlist, which hopefully you guys, you know how to create playlists. If not, I've got a video on that. Over here on the upper left, you see these three lines right there. You see that? You're going to click that and it's going to open up your screen. So you see home, trending, subscriptions, library. You click this, it opens this up for your options. This is where you can see your playlist. Playlists are the three lines with the play. So here's an example playlist. Boom, I hit that. Now, these are your editing options. If you click this right here, you're gonna be able to edit your title, but this is where you wanna go, right here. You wanna edit the description. You click that. Oh no, I'm sorry, you don't wanna edit the description. You might wanna edit the description, but that's not what we're talking about. Click the three dots, click to collaborate. That's where you, oh crud, collaborate. You're going to go in here. It should be turned off when you start. So you wanna turn it on for collaborators to add any video they want. You hit copy and you'll copy the link, hit done. And then you would just take that link and you could email it to your students or staff or whoever. You could put it in your Google Classroom. You can text it. You can do anything you want. And then once you do that, people can start adding videos in here and you can actually see right here who adds the videos. So you'd be able to see which student or which accounts added those videos to the playlist. So there you go. You did it. You learned it. If you want, please subscribe to this channel. That'd be super dope. It's Tarver Academy. This is where we try to empower and teach students and teachers on how to get a little bit better every single day. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications if you know what that means, and y'all have a great day. Never stop learning. Bye bye.